There, if you want to go get some shot.
Here, I've taken a shirt with it.
Isn't that weird? The leaves are coming up, the stalks. Right? The new plants are coming up. Tony saw this big snake right there. You see his head popped up? Wow. Yeah. It's a nice one. Yeah. Big snake there. Big garter.
I stopped recording because I got really scared.
He's so sad. You was very sad.
Oh, it's musking. Oh, it's terrible.
Oh, God. Alright, Nature Vlogs. I don't know if you remember the last time we kind of came around here, there was like nothing growing. Like everything was still waiting for spring to come, and now everything's green and everything's coming up. And if you remember, this was filled with water, and now it's
dry.
only got a little bit in it. Spring is here. Spring is here.
Ashley just offered to let me use her bronchitis machine.
Oh.
On this side, don't see anything flying. Oh. I think our first Baltimore Oriole has arrived. Whoa, yeah, red tail. Can you hear that bird over there? With the bird making weird noises in there. Oh, you just heard the yellow warbler. It goes like kind of sweet, 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 sweet. That's the yellow warbler.
Breakfast chimney.
Somebody want to try rip up a leaf and smell that? Just pass it around. Take one leaf, rip it up, pass it around. I think that's our first catbird. It could be a thrasher though. Birds that mimic other birds. Here it's making different noises. I got some helicopters. Our first gray catbird. Awesome. Maybe this one's better.
Well, that's cool. Yeah, leaves.
The leaves are coming out on the hawthorns.
Oh, you see these branches though?
The branches are woo,
They wild.
Oh, there was a robin laying on split.
In the middle of that.
Looking out for female red-winged blackbirds. Don't know if we've seen any yet.
Yeah.
We haven't.
See your waxwings were over there. Blue jay bopping through the. You notice how you don't hear the blue jays much?
Look. How cute.
Whoa, what are those?
Chorus frog eggs.
Really? How do you find those?
Oh, they're just in there. Actually, I think 6th hour group walked through there and they saw them. So
We're gonna catch.
try to record things happening, progressing. You got
Catch
cameras,
some
you got phones.
Okay, old goldenrods. New ones. Old. New.
This is the box elder tree, right? It also gets helicopters, Samara.
This is so pretty.
Just like
though.
the maple trees. So you can see them forming.
She pointed at this. I don't know what. There's buds on there. Yeah. Oh my god, it's so cute. That's so cute. Oh my god. Oh.
Snake!
Oh.
Here goes probably a male and a female red-winged blackbird. There's 2 female red-winged blackbirds, one flying there. All right, like some of the plants in the forest before they get shaded out. And then they're going to grow new stalks of these, the flowering stalks, right? But they get all their energy right now, right in a few weeks. They'll store that energy up and then they'll use it to produce the flowering stalks. That's why you see all the green here. And then you see other vegetation pop up around it. Dragonfly!
Where? Right over there.
Okay, so today is a free day.
We found a tent, bro.
And we found that tent. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see this, but there is a tent right there.
Nice.
Alright, it's so nice out. Honestly, it feels like spring. Tony. Oh. I was about to get a good shot of that moth sitting on that branch.
A little bit bigger.
Do you see this snail?
Nature vlog. Do you see that?
There's one on the ground. What are you up to?
These plants, you want to smell this flower.
Isn't it stinky?
This is a stinky tree. Right? That's not
That is really stinky.
See the tick?
You called that. Get it off you. You said I'd get some on it.
Yeah, right. Wild strawberry leaves. This is what they look like. So we'll have some wild strawberries. Maybe you can just look at those, pass those back.
Can you eat wild
Don't
strawberries?
eat those leaves.
No, not the leaves, but the actual strawberries.
And this is a unique plant called the trout lily. We're gonna pass them back. So tell everybody what it is.
Ooh,
One of our first spring wildflowers.
Wild
Very
strawberry.
beautiful little lily. This is the leaves. They feel rubbery. They're very interesting to the touch. And they call them trout because they have these speckles on them like a fish.
Could be a deteriorating hamburger bun.
Don't touch it.
What if that's like?
In fact, this is styrofoam. This could be from a homeless person's bed.
Get a shot of the dandelions. I didn't rip it. It's growing out of my hand.
I hadn't started recording yet, so no, it's not. Red wing blackbird in there.
That is the most beautiful bird I've ever seen.
Look at its tail flakes. Is it looking for a mate?
The mom's so mad.
Leaves now. You start to see.
Here.
Maple trees get their seeds now, but the oak trees won't get their acorns until late, maybe September, fall.
Oh my. The blooming horsetail.
Horsetail's coming up. The most primitive plants on Earth. It's called the horsetail. It's been around since the age of the dinosaurs. Goes all the way back to the age of the dinosaurs. And they'll grow up. And they have these like leaves that kind of come around circular. You can see some of the goldenrods too coming up. Some of this year's goldenrods. So the goldenrod golf flies will start to come out of the galls. So the flowers got pollinated.
The helicopter is starting to form. There's a barn swallow nest. That was a northern fucker.
I'd like to tell you about
We're
the
gonna
water
go by
levels
this
today.
nest, so we're gonna just kind of be quick.
There's a robin. And look, the helicopters are forming. Do you guys see that?
The one time Kristen doesn't get a shot of the dandelions, there are other flowers here. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. What about the dandelions now, Kristen?
Gnats.
What?